Another one, 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 12 to 16. Of course, you know the story. St. Paul assigned Timothy and Ephesians. So, Timothy was very young that time. So, sabi niya, don't look anyone look down on because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in life, in love, in faith, and purity. So this is one of the character, the things that St. Paul asked to Timothy while he was preaching on the time, because Timothy was very young. It's considered like, for example, sometimes they called preachers in El Shaddai are very young spiritually. So that's why some people despite, parang minamaliit, spicy. But St. Paul said to Timothy, instead to us, no, don't let them despise you. No, instead, win them by setting an example. Yan ang ating ginagawa ngayon sa ating pag-preach. Hindi lang tayo nag-preach, we set also an example. Our servant Junior Barry Mike is a very good example. I have time to share with you. I have seen Barry Mike is somebody who was very important people for us to follow his example. Yung kanyang example sa buhay, kung makikita natin bilang nag-proclaim ng salita ng Diyos, siya ang magandang example. And that is, ang sabi niya by speech, no? Timothy was to speak with gentle authority and while avoiding useless argumentative conversation. No? Kaya sa ating pag-preach, we must speak the truth with love. We must speak or preach with gentle. By authority, but it's gentle. While avoiding useless argumentative conversation, sa ating pag-preach, we must try to avoid mentioning or saying something that will lead to argument. So, kung hindi rin tayo sigurado sa ating sinasabi, that's it. Kasi maraming nagdudunong-dunungan sa gawain. Tatanungin ka niyan habang nagtuto ka. Amen? Yes. And that is just the type to argue. And that the purpose is not really to learn, but also to show to the people that he knows, or she knows many things more than the speaker. No? Kaya speech, yung example is napakalaga. And then, of course, yung life conduct. Sabi ito. Our lifestyle as well as our specific behavior must be consistent with the gospel we preach. No? Si Timothy was to conduct himself as a representative of Jesus Christ, even in the details of daily living. Unfortunately, sa ngayon, when our action or our lifestyle contradicts the word we preach, the truth can hardly be heard. Ako yung sabihin. Una, ang ating example na bibigay natin as a preacher, yung ating the way we talk, yung speech natin, yung ating pananalita. Okay? Pangalawa, sabi dito ay tinatawag na yung lifestyle like on that. Kapag ang ating lifestyle, ang ating buhay ay hindi consistent sa ating mga salita, ay yung the truth that we are preaching cannot hear by the people, parang baliwala. Nahirapan sila. Okay. And then, of course, love. No? Sabi dito, third is by love. When we say right words and live the right ways, but lack of love, pagka baliwala rin yan, hindi tayo nagsisip ng example. Love, which is sabi ni St. Paul sa Corinthians chapter 13, verse 1 to 7, whatever you do, it gain nothing. Okay?